Yo guys manze, this is crazy. It's raining. Wipers zangu zimefail. The brake imefail. I can't see where I am. Where sioni kitu. Like guys, it's raining heavily. The wipers are not working. Hebu onyesha hivi, wipers hazifanyi. The headlights hakuna light manze. And it's 21 minutes past 1. I'm not seeing anything guys. I can't even stop. The brake is not functioning. Like angalia nimeshika brake yote. Sasa lazima niendeshe hivi. But again, it's raining heavily. I have to remove my head outside. Don't nione vizuri. The headlights are not functioning guys. The wipers are not functioning and it's raining heavily. Lazima tuendeshe kama mandume. Guys, angalia huyu anataka kunigonga. Who is this? Wewe si wewe nini mbele? Mbona huyu analeta mchezo? Guys, it's tough here, it's tough. My brakes have failed, the wipers have failed, the headlights zimeenda down, and it's raining heavily. Hey, karibu ni rondo. Ngori guys, eh? Mafala wanavuka tu barabara. Guys, Nikungori. You know, I can't stop on the way because guys, there's so much insecurity around here. It's tough. T for tough. You know, it's 25 minutes past 1. Toka event hapo at the river. The brakes zimefail. So I have to remove my head outside ndo nione vizuri. Because the wiper, the windscreen imejaa maji. Siwezi ona shit. kuna lori hata ingine iko hapa mbele haina light. Hebu show them. Kuna lori, this lori here haina light, haina nini. Angalia this one, haina light nyuma. Haina light nyuma, angalia. Haina light nyuma. Yeah, it's crazy. But kutoa kichwa nje, I know I'm risking, but again guys, I'm just saving my life, you know. At least naweza ona kitu. Nikipata tu place at least safe, I'll just have to stop and work on everything. But hapa naye siwezi simama guys, it's so insecure. Almost kufika Tahau. It's crazy, it's raining.